What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening up another Funko Pop mystery box from the company MysteryGrail.com. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be opening up another MysteryGrail.com mystery box. I have bought a total of 2 mystery boxes. A little bit about the boxes before we get started. They do have small, medium, and large size grails you can, actually win. But they also have 1,750 boxes, so the chances of you getting one of the grails are pretty slim. They also have a scratch and win ticket that you can scratch off. You can win tokens, you can win shirts, you can win gift cards. The first time I purchased this mystery box, I opened one box, I scratched the ticket, and I got a $100 gift card, and that's what helped pay for like 3 to 4 boxes after the initial start of that mystery box. So you can win some good stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look at the possibilities that we could get in this box, or at least the ones that I would like to have in the collection. As you can see, that there are a few. There's a few here that you can choose from to get. That would be nice to get. That'd be pretty cool. I'm seeing a Hot Topic. Freddy Krueger. That'd be a pretty cool one to get. I wouldn't mind having that in my collection. You got a Funko Shop Wilma from the Flintstones. Alright, yeah, cool. They got a glow-in-the-dark Ghost Rider. Now that one would fit the collection. Now the bronze Michael Jordan I would definitely have in the collection. That would be a cool piece in the collection. They got a Funko Shop glow-in-the-dark Bigfoot. That would be a good one too. Pretty much all these would be pretty good to have in a collection. Any collection, even if only it's gonna stay in a collection for a split second, it'd be nice to be in a collection. And I think the last one on the lower Grail side would be the Robb Stark from the Game of Thrones. Yep, that's it. So in the premium, I think any of those would be good for the collection. Like I said, they would only stay in the collection for a split moment. I am trying to get the My Hero Grails, so if I pull any of those will definitely help out in the My Hero Grail department. And the very last one I would like to get in the Mega Grail section would be obviously the, Back to the Future, Dr. Emmett Brown. Yeah, that would definitely stay in the collection. That's a little bit about the box. Let's go ahead and open it really quick and see what we got. We got box 1 and box 2. So let's just go ahead and rip it off, rip the band-aid off, see what we got in this. Hopefully we got a Grail. Hopefully we at least break even. I don't know. 19 shipped is what I paid for each box, so $38 total. So hopefully we make the $38 back. You can either subtract the shipping or add the shipping, whichever you prefer. I prefer to add the shipping, which makes it 19 shipped, 38 shipped for all 2 of these boxes. So here we go, ripping it off like a band-aid. Bam. Alright, 3, 2, 1, bam. What do we get? Well, here's a scratch and win ticket. This one, okay, alright, that's pretty cool. Set this off over here for a second. Alright, so the first one is a Bob Ross OTS exclusive. I think it's one of the DIYs you can get. You can paint it whichever way you want. There's the back right there. You can kind of see how people have painted it or colored it, whatever. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. So start off, there's the front, there's the side, pretty cool. The back, the other side, and the front again. Now we will look at the values on this, and I do believe I give these a valuation of $1, I believe. If it's 200 points, it'll be equaled out if there's more points than the 200 points. But we got the pop, the scratch off ticket. Looks like we have some crybabies on our hands. There's a yellow one or an orange one, and a green one. Moving on to box 2. Alright, will we get a Grail? Will it be a Grail? Will it be at least breaking even? Something's wrong with that one. Alright, so From the sounds of it, it sounds like there's something extra in here, so maybe we get a Grail? I don't know. Alright, 3, 2, 1, bam. Did we get a Grail? No, we didn't, but we got a pretty good one. I think we already have this one, but there's a scratch and win ticket there. Bam. Alright, so this one is from the movie Hocus Pocus, which is a really good show, or good movie, and it is Billy Butcherson. I actually already have this one. Ricky has it in her collection. I think I might keep this for my personal collection, but it is a Spirit Halloween exclusive. Pretty freaking sweet. There's the front right there. There's the side, the back, bam, and the other side, and the front again. Pretty freaking sweet. Yeah, I'll take that. And we have the scratch and win ticket as well here. I don't know if I mentioned that. We got another orange one and another green one. So, pretty sour. Go ahead and check out some values on these pops because we want to see if we got our value back or more in value. Let's start with the Billy Butcherson pop. Let's go ahead and try to scan that. Okay, alright, so it has the sticker at the bottom right there, so I have to manually type it in. Give me 1 second. Mr. Billy Butcherson is coming in at a whopping $23. So, $23. Let's scratch off the ticket really quick and see what we get on that. Scratch the ticket off, and it looks like we got 200 tokens. So, I'm going to give that a $1 valuation. I think that's what I gave all my scratch and win tickets when they're 200 is a $1 valuation. So Billy Butcherson and the scratch off ticket is worth a $24 total. That's what that is worth. So let's go ahead and look up Bob Ross really quick and see what he is worth. Alright, let's scan it. Alright, there's two sub variants. DIY, regular variant. Okay, so this one is a GTS exclusive. It's coming in at a whopping $15. So $15 here. Let's scratch off the ticket and let's see what that is worth. Pop is worth $15. The scratch and win ticket makes it an even $16. There it is right there. 200 tokens. 200 tokens. So all in all, after everything is said and done, both of these pops and the scratch and win ticket is going to net us $40 in value, which is $2 more than what we paid. That is a good thing. You always want to get back at least your value back or a little bit more in value. So I think this was a successful. Well, I guess all of them are pretty successful because they get these little scratch and win tickets, and you can actually redeem more prizes on their website. So yeah, I believe that's a really good deal. So in my opinion, these mystery boxes, these two mystery boxes that I received today, were a success. I don't know what else to say. We got the DIY Bob Ross and a Billy Butcherson from Hocus Pocus. I think that's a win. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I will see you flock of collectors in the next one.